Please. Ladies and gentlemen, next up, the last comedian for tonight. Make some noise for the one and only One on One women leader. One on One. TNK, I see you. All right.
Cherunan kemi bada volume. Wow. Wow. Just to interim volume small. Who is in control? FunnyBone. Now me when you call the time where people they use dance for wake up. Okay. Yes now. During wake up, Oracle one keja upon the family kagbegu. The gayana koketa. FunnyBone. This time where you call me no funny at all. Now the joke don't tight. No be every comedian na via waketa. But can we keep each other cover no yosa kogia? I am married. If you know you're married here, let me see your hands up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If you know you're happily married, it's two different things. You're happily married. Let me see your hand up. Just few. From Tino. Makega neshike ego moto. See, you know saying after you don't marry, you go see who you supposed to marry. Maniga no why Nadia. Do you know? I'm talking out of experience. Inucha, if you phone you question, Baniga Bume. My father, before I go come to my own side, now 5 years I don't there for the marriage. But not to go na 20 years. You know, say if you don't dey chop 3 square meal and you never marry, other men wey don't marry go dey jealous you. And I go join no wine. Join no wine. Wait. I am here for true life story. So calm down. Now, if this year I don't have money, no wine. What a trap. And some of your uncles are wicked. Those ones that will tell you, if you want to marry, call me. When you go my 2 cups of rice can walk. Then the women will come and tell you, Imani no wine. Iya garugu were. Ashe. Abu no day wake it I can never wear. Maka Chineke, I'm not lying to you. One guy in Anyabu Keke, Piaje Bido, dress was very well. One woman say, no wine, no wine, you gotta go where. The guy Jano Chan wine, Shina Keke, Bano Kada. Or meet the woman say, mommy, or say, or so question no Chan wine, you gotta where. One answer. Obrong benine koji owe. See, let me tell you, some of you know, you say, make I not go that side because I don't want to make you fear. I don't go just talk. My father married my mother. My father married my mother. In fact, after you marry, even commissioner for culture and tourism, even her work, no married woman they agree say she get money. Yes. My mother will come out in the morning and tell you, and when we go to know so 200 naira, so 200 naira, or rona banana, can only wear 1,000 issue bed. Listen. Oh, qui. Ogni torato. Oh, qui. Chineke. What is the need that you are kneeling on a front seat? Shame on you. Camera video here. Boyfriend, I don't know what you're after. You are married. You are again. You are happy again. Marrying can more involved. No man is happily married. You are in a table you give us on war. That's me happily married. Mommy, see, let me tell you something. In fact, it's like I'm going to talk about only marriage. That thing is a scam. You know why it's never fast food. Can you hear that? See, give me one empty can. Give me one empty. I'm angry inside me. One empty one. Bring it. I want to teach you something you don't know. Any chair around? Give me that chair. For their come kenato. Why you reckon that's not the wicked? With white and white, come kenato. You're native, kono alternative. They're not rebels. You man know that sound of them okay go. Osim go jump 2 times, come on, come. Okay, don't worry. Listen, before you marry, I have this mathematics for you. Listen. Omekania. Ana tuego nke wine na kana franiru. Ige joke na no toto. Nonsense. You church here one. One man na bomego. So Sophia can win ya warrior. Na bomego with the governaka. Ofia called what the man was. Ego kana abomo the woman that could tell Chitakwana Pampas Agugo. Onyangwongwo. Imam infection nandoge. Egan we consider treat infection toromia. Amambia. Now, I want to teach you how they used to say this marriage is good or marriage at the konya manaro. Listen. So that you will not fall victim. Before no one go to her house, no matter the distance, make sure you find a way to enter her bathroom. Listen. Make sure you find a way to enter her bedroom. Once you enter, check her soap and her cream. And Google the amount. Listen. This thing, I'm not joking, no. It helped me. Listen. Google the amount they are selling it. Now, once you marry, if you know you cannot afford that cream money, leave her. That akamogwe. Akamogwe kana. Akara. Akaraka. You're doing well. I'm going to for show. See, now, forget about her. Once you marry, 2 weeks after your marriage, your wife will call you. Baby, is here, if Roncha is here, no use here, I got like here. Okay. Baby is here, if Ruda, net here, I got like here. So you go begin use her cream and her soap. 2 weeks you begin use them, you go come fine. So in a gafe, one ya that boy, Amy,
Keyo.
marriage at the
Okwachuku.
Listen. After 3 weeks, the soap don't finish, the cream don't finish. You know why? Any woman where they use soap, where they up to 3,000, 2,000, she know they carry the soap, enter shower. Or buy shower na area. Or within time, may they didn't use all the foam. Why not they use the 10,000 naira up listing? She know they press them too much. Up it here, or kuchia debia, arutote, 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 arutote. Listen, it will help you. That's the last joke. Now listen. Once as the cream finish, see, let me tell you. Okay, listen. I prophesy to you. You shall continue to fry akara. And akara will continue to go market. Is the last one I will go. Listen. once you go downstairs on Arune baby, is here udanya ha gugo. Nchanya ha gugo. Is here kayenge ibatawa igotie. Is here amaro mafia. Ne konkomie. Give me. listen. Listen. It's the last joke. Listen. So, you were the concom banimaya. The man now.
Hello, good afternoon.
Keki menam.
Ọ dị mma. Ka ekun si eru ụda.
Oh, ụda nwa. Ụda nwa, okay. Ọkwa 12.5.
Emi nụrụ m katọn ya.
Ofu mkpụrụ.
Nchakwan.
80,000.
Katọn ya.
Mba ofu mkpụrụ. Now, ị bịa kpọọ nwunye gị na phone.
Hello, baby. Ncha anwa na ụda anwa bụ ego one.
Iruga ahịa.
Nsị ncha anwa bụ ego one.
Ke na line nke ị nọ.
Nsị ncha bụ ego one.
Okay. Mgbe m na-ego vu 2,000 mana ịma na ihe arịgo. Now listen oh. Make you no fuck up. Ị bịa go dị ncha go dị ude. Ịbata ịkpọ ya.
Baby.
My love.
Nọrọgodo ofe ebe gị na love. Ifuru ncha gị a.
Ncha anyị.
Ncha gị. Na-ahụ ya. Ọgwụ igote ọzọ.
Ka ị ga na-ahụ.
Ncha nkọta. Ifuru ude gị a.
Ude anyị.
Nsi ude gị. Na-etie ọgwụ igotie.
Ka ekwe na ị ga na-ete.
Olive oil.
Once ị bịa tee ya techaa ya 2 weeks ị na-achị dịka ochie moto. Ị na-agafe nwaanyị ya adasị gị. Ebuka.
Ka iyo.
Mara eji adọzikwa gị mma n'arụ.
Thunder gbanye ego enu ebe a gị na ndị bụ. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Okwuruọra. Igwe mburumbu.
Please make some noise for this man. You're going to Koniaka. Well done.